students of class 2. Hope all of you are well, and now we are going to start our new academic year. And today we are not going to learn anything, study anything, but we are going to see what computer book we have, what copy we have to make for the CW and HW, and what will be the syllabus for this year, that I will tell you. So everyone, look at the screen. This year we are going to have this book, IT Byte 2. This book we are going to have this year for the computer. Clear everyone? IT Byte 2. This will be our computer book of this year. Now, in this book, we are having 7 chapters. Everyone, open the content page. You can see 7 chapters we are going to have. These 7 chapters we will finish in this academic year. Few chapters will be there in UT1, then few will be there in annual, then UT2, then finally annual exam. Now, you have to make one copy, one single line copy, this type of copy for the computer CW and HW book. This copy you have to submit it in the school office for correction. Whatever class work will be done, the writing part, whatever homework will be given, writing part, those things you have to do it in the copy and submit it in the school office for correction. I think till here everyone is clear with the book and the copy. Now let us now discuss this year's syllabus. In UT1, we are having chapter 1 and 2. In half yearly, we are having chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. In UT2, we will have chapter 5 and chapter 6. And in the annual exam, we will have chapter 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Repeating it, in the annual, we are going to have 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, repeating the syllabus once again, we are going to have 4 exams, UT1, then half yearly, UT2, then annual. Now, we are having, in the UT1 exam, we are having 2 chapters, chapter 1 and 2. For half yearly, we are having chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then for UT2 again we will have chapter 5 and 6. And for the annual exam we will have chapter 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this syllabus, UT1, half yearly, UT2, annual, this whole syllabus, whatever I said, 2 times I said, you have to write this in the computer copy first page. In the computer copy first page, you have to write the syllabus. This will be your homework for today. Now, till here, I think everyone is clear with the book, copy, syllabus and all. Now, we are going to start the new chapter. We are not going to start, just we will go through what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter 1, that is computer and electronic device. Just we are going through what are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Everyone, please open the book, page number 7 and look at me. In this chapter 1, computer and electronic device, we are going to learn about or rather identify the input, process, output, that is the IPO cycle. How this IPO cycle works, that we are going to learn first. That is the input, process, output cycle. How we are giving the input, then how the input is processing, and then finally what output we are getting. This think we will learn first in this chapter. Next, we are going to learn how humans are different from the computers. How humans, that us, are different from the computers that we use. Finally, we will list the advantages and some disadvantages of using a computer. Some advantages, that means the usefulness, and some disadvantages we are going to learn in this chapter. So repeating it once again for you, we are going to learn the IPO cycle, that is the input process output cycle. Then we are going to learn how humans are different from computers and list certain advantages and disadvantages of using a computer. Okay, so this is enough for today, as today is the first class we are doing. From next class we are going to start explanation of chapter 1, and accordingly we will continue our class. So I think it is clear to all that what the book we are using, what copy we are making for computer CW and HW work, what is the syllabus of this academic year, and what we are going to do in the next class. So homework is to write the syllabus in the first page of the computer copy after making it. Cover it properly, put a label, write your name, class, section and subject properly, and then start writing the syllabus in the first page. Okay, so here we will end the class. Next day again, see you everyone. Please, if you get time, go through the book. No need to read, just go through whatever is there. Look at the pictures that are there in the book. You will enjoy it, I think. And everyone, stay healthy and bye bye.